శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము 859th డే. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము 3rd పర్వం, వనపర్వం ఆర్ అరణ్య పర్వం, 52nd chapter. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaisampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this, O Raja, Dharmaraju expressing all of his worries to Brihadasva Maharshi, saying like this, O Maharshi, we were sent to this Vanavasam by Duryodhana and other brothers. We are going through so many troubles. We are remembering all those bad words, nasty words Duryodhana and other brothers spoke on that day. And all of our life is now depending upon our Arjuna. Vina mahatmana tena gatasattva iva bhavam. Because we don't have Arjuna with us, we are living like dead people. Ho Maharshi, kada drakshyami bibhatsum krutastram punaragatam priyavadinam akshudram dayayuktam atandritaha. Our Arjuna is such a wonderful man, and he is righteous man, he is compassionate, he speaks very sweet words. Such Arjuna, when he is going to come back? When am I going to see him? When is my Arjuna is going to be coming back to us with the attainment of such a wonderful, powerful, divine astras? O Maharshi, I don't see anyone who is more unfortunate than me. I lost everything. Did you ever hear about more unfortunate person than me? Did you ever see anyone like this? Did you ever hear about anyone like this? Like that, when Dharmaja said, Brihadasva Maharshi saying like this, O Dharmaja, you said, did you ever hear? You asked me, did you ever hear, did you ever see anyone who is more unfortunate than me? Yes. There was a king who has gone through troubles more than you. Like that, when Maharshi said, immediately Dharmaraj asking, please tell me about that king. Then Brihadasva Maharshi saying, you all listen to this story. O Dharmaja, there was a king called Veerasena in Nishadha Desham, and he has one son, Nala. He knows all dharmarthas very well. That Nala Maharaju was cheated by Pushkara. Then Nala Maharaju lost his kingdom, and along with his wife, he went into the forest and he started living in forest. न तस्य दासा न रथः न भ्राता न च बान्धवाः. Nala Maharaju has no brothers with him in Aranyavasam. Nala Maharaju has no relatives with him in Aranyavasam. Nala Maharaju has no servants along with him in the forest. Whereas you have such a great, valorous, strong brothers around you, though you are in this Aranyavasam. And not only that, Brahma Kalpaihi Dvijagraischa. Brahma Kalpa, such a great enlightened Brahmanas are there along with you, though you are doing this Vanavasam. So, Dharmaja, you don't have to worry, you don't have to cry anymore. Like that, when Brihadasva Maharshi said, Dharmaraja asking, O Maharshi, please tell me the story of Nala Maharaju in detail. Like that he is asking. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vigneswara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana, Narayana, Narayana. Sriman Narayana, Narayana, Narayana. Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Sriman Narayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. For Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. For Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. For Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. For Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. For Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.